In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emoji in Notion. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know exactly where to go in your account settings and how to use the built-in options to customize your workspace with emoji. First, make sure you're logged into your Notion account on your computer. Once you're in your workspace, look towards the top corner of the screen where your profile appears. This might be your name, your initials inside a small circle, or a profile icon. Go ahead and click on your profile name or icon. This opens a small menu that gives you access to account options, workspace switches, and most importantly for this tutorial, your settings. From that little menu, look for the option labeled Settings or Settings and Members, depending on how Notion is currently laid out for you. Click on that. A new settings panel will open, usually on the side of your screen. This is where you manage things like your account details, appearance, notifications, and more. Inside this settings area, you'll want to look for a section related to emoji. You may see it as a distinct emoji option in the sidebar, or as a tab or subsection within your personal or appearance settings. Take a moment to scan the list and click on the one that says Emoji. This will open the dedicated area where Notion lets you manage emoji-related features. Once you're on the emoji page, you should see an option that says Add Emoji. Click on this button. This is your starting point for customizing how emoji appear or adding new emoji resources that Notion can use. When you select it, Notion will bring up a set of on-screen prompts to guide you through the rest of the process. From here, simply follow the on-screen instructions step by step. Notion might ask you to choose specific emoji styles, confirm how you want them to be used across your workspace, or walk you through any additional options that are available at the moment. Read each prompt carefully and make your selections based on your preferences.